Have you ever navigated to a website and find a feature or function not working correctly and get asked to clear your browser cookies? Stick around and I'll show you how to clear website cookies in various browsers and operating systems. Hi, welcome to IT Paisa. In this video, I will show you how to clear website cookies. So what are cookies? And no, I don't mean this delicious looking cookie. Cookies are bits of data that are sent to and from your browser to identify you. When you open a website, your browser sends a piece of data to the web server hosting that website. This data usually appears as strings of numbers and letters in a text file. Every time you access a new website, a cookie is created and placed in a temporary folder on your device. From here, cookies try to match your preferences for what you want to read, see, or purchase. A common analogy for a cookie is a coat check ticket at a concert or event. It's something you receive from a service, has no intrinsic value outside of the event, and isn't tailored exactly to you. However, you'll need it if you want to get your code back. One thing to keep in mind, however, before deleting cookies is that after deleting browser cookies, you may need to log back into a website or set some settings up again. So make sure you know the password of the website you are deleting cookies from. Clearing cookies in Safari on a Mac. First step is to make sure that Safari is open. Then come to the top left and click on Safari. Then click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, make sure you're in the Privacy tab. Then click on Manage Website Data. Enter the website you want to clear cookies for. My example, I'm going to use Microsoft. Click to select the website, then click Remove. If you're done removing cookies for all the websites, hit Done. Clearing cookies in Safari on an iPhone. On your iPhone, tap the Settings app. Find General, then tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll up to the top to reveal the search box. Tap on the search box and enter Safari. Tap on Safari, then tap on Website Data. This shows a list of cookies of websites you've visited. Tap on the search box and enter the name of the website you want to delete cookies for. I'm going to use Microsoft in my example. Swipe from right to left to reveal the delete button, or tap on Edit on the bottom right of your phone to reveal the minus sign. Tap on the minus sign, then tap Delete. Clearing cookies in Microsoft Edge on Windows. Make sure Microsoft Edge is open. Come up to the top right, click on the ellipses, Settings and More. Click on Settings. Click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Click on See All Cookies and Site Data. This list shows all cookies that are saved on this device. You can either use the search box to enter the name of the website you want to delete cookies for, or if you see it on the list, expand it by hitting the down arrow and click the trash can to delete it. You can also hit Remove All, but this will remove all cookies listed in this window, so be cautious when you do that. Clearing cookies in Google Chrome on Windows or Mac. Make sure Google Chrome is open. Come up to the top right and click on the three vertical dots. Customize and control Google Chrome. Click on Settings. Once the Settings dashboard opens, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Third-Party Cookies. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This lists all cookies saved onto your device. You can either use the search box to search for the name of the website you wish to delete cookies for, or if you see it on the list, just hit the trash can next to it. Once you do, click delete in the warning message. As you can see, the cookie has been deleted. Clearing cookies in Google Chrome on Android. Tap on the Chrome app. Tap and search or type URL. Enter the website you wish to clear cookies for. Tap on the page info. Then tap on cookies and site data. Tap the trash can next to stored data and tap delete in the warning message for delete cookies. If you found this video informative, click the like button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when I release new content. Have a question regarding this video or have a suggestion for my next topic? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.